Hey, what's up? I'm Carwana D, your government contract strategist, and I just wanted to take the time to personally invite you to an upcoming powerful workshop called GovCon Jumpstart. So you want to get started with your government contracting business and you're just not sure exactly how to do that? Well, look no further. In this workshop, I'm going to help you become a federal government contractor in just one day. So we're going to do this together. Now, during the workshop, I'm going to personally show you exactly how to audit your business so you know exactly what you need to have to qualify your business for government contracts. And beyond that, we're going to do a step-by-step implementation to getting those SAM registrations done. So this is for you even if you've attempted to do SAM and have gotten stuck, or have already completed your SAM registration and don't know what to do next, nor have never landed a contract before. So this workshop is going to be for you. We're going to jumpstart your business success, because guess what? Even beyond the registration, even beyond the business audit, we're going to work together on your capability statements so that you understand exactly what your marketing proposition is and how to market your services, your products, and your capabilities to the government so that you can start landing contracts faster. So go ahead and get signed up at govconjumpstart.com. Again, that's govconjumpstart.com, and we'll see you on the money side. All right, click on the link and I'll see you soon.